G'day everyone, welcome to episode 3 of our mini-series. This week we were going to show you our technology that we use on our trip. However, the Mavic DJI Air went for a swim. I'm pretty upset. So instead of doing that, I'm going to do a video on turning it back on and hopefully seeing if it works. I'll show you the footage and you can actually see how long it was actually under the water, and it actually filmed under the water, and it also filmed me pulling it out and turning it off. So here we go, let's turn it on and see how we go. Okay, so as you can see, it's doing its startup. Excellent. Turning the controller on. Okay, so it's connected. It's actually connected. I can see everything. It's actually connected. So as you can see, there you go. The camera's connected. So happy. I am over the moon. So happy that the DJI is actually working. Next trick is to see if it flies and see if it films. Works. It works. Happy days. Well, there you have it. The DJI Mavic Air not only puts out some excellent quality video, but goes under the water for over 2.5 minutes, I think, to 3 minutes, and it's still working perfectly fine. I'm so happy. That's a massive savings. So when the Mavic Air went in, I ran into the river, picked it up out of the water. It was still on, still running, so I turned the battery off, pulled the battery out straight away, and then shook it until there was no more water. I then, because we don't have any sort of hairdryer or anything at home, I sat it on top of the dashboard, just above the heater, and turned the heaters on while we were driving. So it was probably sitting in there for at least an hour and a half to 2 hours. I then didn't turn it on until today, so it's been about 4 to 5 days. So super happy. It just keeps showing me the goods, I can tell you that.